Our chef Damu offers you tagine of tuna, which prepared in a ranch where we welcome our English and American tourists. In a tagine, we first put the olive oil, then we add spices, special fish seeds, and dried leaves, which are made up of fennel, coriander, dill, black pepper, mustard, pink pepper, and others, and that we can buy in grocery stores. We add cumin, ginger, saffron, paprika, black pepper, salt. We cut 3 cloves of garlic and then add them to the mixture. We add the coriander after cutting it up. We turn and return our fish in this marinade. Add 1 knorr stock cube fish flavor. We cut rosemary and we add it. cut the tomatoes and lemon into slices and add them. Olives, we add garlic. It is flavored with oil. We add bell pepper, we add celery. Then we add chili peppers. We add the precious argan oil, a product of which we are very proud as a cultural heritage since it is only and uniquely found in our region of Swiss Mesa and nowhere else in the world. Our tuna tagine with vegetables is left on the charcoal stove for about 30 minutes. I hope you liked our tagine of tuna fish with vegetables and argan. If it is the case, do not hesitate to put a big thumb up, share the video and subscribe by activating the notification bell to be informed of our next vlogs. Thanks for watching.